Life for this troop of capuchin monkeys is tough. They make it through these difficult times with the support of friends, but this youngster is new to the group and doesn't have any yet. He's desperately thirsty. At this time of year, water is scarce, is guarded by dominant members of the troop. But desperate times call for desperate measures. He tries his luck. To get past the dominant monkeys and get a much-needed drink, he must make a friend. He reaches for a finger and guides it up his nostril very carefully. Now vulnerable, he's showing trust in the other capuchin. And when they return the gesture, it's the start of a beautiful friendship. Together, they're ready to take on the world. First stop, the waterhole. Combining forces, they confront the guard, using a distinctive tactic. For these monkeys, two heads really are better than one. And they both finally get the drink they so desperately need.